Baby, you're 877. She's cute.
She's sweet. Sweet, aren't you? Yes.
Go say hi to TomTom. Is that a kitty? You have no tail. I can't gauge you. It's totally still. And you have white eyelashes. It's so cute. Hi, sweet girl. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Sit.
Baby, you know how.
Sit. Sit. Good. Sit. And so gentle.
Just very well to be out of,
She's gonna lay down and eat, really? Oh my God, it was a tiny little cookie. It takes forever to eat. Well, that's good. You're not a vulture. All right, I'm gonna let Tom out. You got it, right? Come on, Tom. Last one. But I keep saying that, and then there's one more actually. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go say hi. Yeah, me. Good girl. Oh, Tom likes you. You got both hands on the leash because she's getting very alert. I don't think she's ever seen a kitty. Look how pretty. When she's alert, she's all squared up.
Yeah, she's a pretty dog.
She's had puppies. Tom likes her. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Tom is wanting to hit. He's like, I'm ready to go home. Tom, say hi to the girl. Say hi to baby. Tom likes her. Tom likes her.
He was trying to brush up against her.
Yeah. So much noise around. Tom, turn around, baby. She's a pretty dog. She's got the right dimensions, long legs, nice and square, ears erect, and she's active. White eyelashes. I like the white eyelashes.
She says, what do I do with it?
I don't know. You'd be nice to it. Tom was not very. He's not feeling so good.
Yeah. He's gonna crawl in your bag. Good job. Good evasive.
His ears is black and his tail.
She's respectful. Tom is in a mood. He's got a sore
But he
tongue.
did rub up against her and
Yeah.